Hello, welcome again. We are solving General Study Paper 2 of year 2021 of Civil Service Pre-Exam, which is also called CSAT. Passage 3 after question number 21 is the resolution of bankruptcy cases of Indian banks under the Insolvency and Bankruptcy Code should help bring non-performing assets NPA situation under some control. Despite the slow pace of resolutions by National Company Law Tribunal, the code can be helpful in cleaning up bank books in future credit cycles. The recapitalization of public sector banks too can help increase the capital cushion of banks and induce them to lend more and boost economic activity. But bad debt resolution and recapitalization are only a part of the solution, as they by themselves can do very little to rein in reckless lending that has pushed the Indian banking system to its current sorry state. Unless there are systematic reforms that address the problem of unsustainable lending, future credit cycles will continue to stress the banking system. So, question number 43 based on this is which one of the following statements best reflects the most logical, rational, and practical suggestion implied by the passage given above? Option A, lending by the banks should be closely monitored and regulated by central government. Option B, interest rates should be kept low so as to induce banks to lend more, promote credit growth, and thereby boost economic activity. Option C, merger of many banks into a few large banks alone is a alone is the long-term solution to make them viable and prevent their bad performance. Option D, Indian banking system requires structural reforms as a long-term solution for bad loan problems. So answer is option D. Indian banking system requires structural reforms as a long-term solution for bad loan problems, because here in the last two lines, but bad debt resolution and recapitalization are only a part of solution, as they by themselves can do very little in the rein in reckless lending that has pushed the Indian banking system into its current sorry state. Unless there are systematic reforms, systematic reform is long-term reform. Okay, so here also the long-term reforms are suggested for the long-term solution. Okay, for bad debts that address the problem of unsustainable lending, future credit cycle will continue to stress the banking system. So answer is option D. Indian banking system requires structural reforms as long-term solution for bad loan problems. So answer is D.